Remember, the setting, boys and girls, is where the story takes place. Well, Dan Had a Plan is a special story. It had more than one setting. There was more than one place where this story took place. Okay, so we're going to think back to the story I just read. And at the beginning of the story, where were the children? Where were the children at the beginning of the story? The beginning of the story, the setting was where they were. So think about where the children were at the beginning of the story. The children were at the house. They were in the kitchen. So they were at their house at the beginning of the story. Now you're going to draw a picture of where the children were at the beginning of the story. Then you're going to write this sentence stem. At the beginning of the story, Dan is blank at the blank. In this blank right here, let's think of something Dan was doing. What was he doing? Let's use an action verb for something Dan was doing at the beginning of the story. So at the beginning of the story, Dan is what? At the where? Where is he? So I'm going to say where because I want to know where he is doing this activity, this action verb. Okay? And then you're going to draw a picture to go with the beginning setting. Draw a picture of the beginning setting in the story. Now think about where the characters went or where they were in the middle of the story. So in the middle of the story, that's the part that happened next. Where were the characters in the middle of the story? Okay, so again, you're going to draw a picture. Where are they in the middle of the story? Then I want you to write a sentence to go with your picture. In the middle of the story, Dan is blank at the blank. Now, what do you think I want you to write in this first blank? That's right. I want you to write another action verb like you did for the beginning setting. So what is Dan doing in the middle of the story? What is he doing in the middle setting? Then I want you to tell me where he is. Where is he in the middle of the story? It's a different place. It's a different setting in the middle. So if you don't remember, please go back and reread the story, Dan Had a Plan, in Ed. Okay? So after you write the sentence, in the middle of the story, Dan is blank. What is he doing? At the blank. Where is he in that story, in that part of the story? Okay, so we have a beginning, a middle, and now we need an end of the story setting. They're in a completely different place at the end of the story. So at the end of the story, think about where the children are. Draw a picture of the place where the children are. And then you're going to write this sentence. At the end of the story, Dan is blank. Another verb. What is he doing at the end of the story? At the blank. Where is he at the end of the story? So you have three things to do for each setting in the story. Draw a picture for the beginning, the middle, and the end settings. Where are they in those three parts of the story? Then at the end of the story, you write Dan is what? What is he doing? And where are they?